Welcome to our channel. Deciding whether to add comprehensive and collision coverage to your auto insurance requires understanding costs versus benefits. Follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Understand what comprehensive and collision coverage protect. Collision pays for damage to your car from accidents, while comprehensive covers theft, vandalism, weather, and other non-collision events. Step 2. Evaluate your vehicle's value using Kelley Blue Book or NADA. If your car is worth less than $3,000, comprehensive and collision may not be cost-effective. Step 3. Apply the 10% rule. If annual premiums for comprehensive and collision exceed 10% of your car's value, consider dropping the coverage. Step 4. Consider your deductible relative to your vehicle's value. If your deductible is $500 on a car worth $2,000, you'd only receive $1,500 maximum. Step 5. Assess your financial situation. If you couldn't afford to replace your car if it were totaled or stolen, comprehensive and collision coverage provide important protection. Step 6. Check if your lender requires comprehensive and collision coverage. If you're financing or leasing your vehicle, you typically must maintain full coverage until it's paid off. Step 7. Evaluate your driving habits and environment. If you drive frequently in heavy traffic or high theft areas, collision and comprehensive coverage provide more value. Step 8. Compare premium quotes with different deductible levels. Sometimes choosing higher deductibles significantly reduces premiums while maintaining important protection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.